Emma has a small online shop which sells sustainable products. The products are so popular that Emma now sells them all over Europe. Since an increasing number of customers are shopping online, the EU has passed a new law to make online shopping even more secure. The Second Payment Services Directive, also known as PSD2. Merchants and their payment service providers must now verify the identity of their customers for card payments. But how does that work? Since 14 September 2019, it has been necessary for customers to carry out two-factor authentication in order to make online payments. This means that you can only shop online if you verify your identity using two independent factors. This is really easy to do, for example with your smartphone and a fingerprint. All merchants need to do now is contact their PSP so that their PSP can support them with the implementation and explain to the merchant exactly which types of payment are excluded from the changes. Emma therefore got in touch with Worldline immediately and the migration was carried out seamlessly. She's happy with the secure, user-friendly payment options on her online shop and the increasing sales figures.